Hey there, Greenie Beanies. It's me, Marvy. Look at this. It's a friendship bracelet. See? Friendship bracelets are bracelets that you make and you give to a special friend. You can make them out of string or cord or yarn or anything really. I'm making mine out of string. I had a tough time learning at first because it can be pretty tricky knotting it all together. But after a while, I got the hang of it. This red and yellow one was the very first one I ever made. I think I'm going to give it to my sister, Fab. Oh, and here is another bracelet that I made. My mom's favorite colors are blue and pink, so I made this one for her. You like it? Me too. Oh, and this one right here, I made for my dad. My dad wears a lot of green shirts, and he really likes to eat oranges. So I made him this green and orange friendship bracelet. Hey, have you ever made a friendship bracelet, Greenie Beanies? They're really fun to make, and you can make them for anyone. Oh, in fact, I think I'll make one for Justine the ladybug. Ah, she'll love it. Probably have to make it really teeny, weeny tiny, though. Well, I better get back to work. I'll see you later, Greenie Beanies.